Today I'm making a childhood favorite, hamburger helper, but we're making it organic. I can't wait to show you how to do this. All right, so I cooked my half a cup of onions and my pound of ground beef, and that I browned my ground beef, and then I added in my teaspoon of garlic powder, and I'm adding in my teaspoon of paprika, and we're just gonna stir that around. Look how easy this is, you guys. We're gonna add in our can of tomato sauce, Simply Truth organic tomato sauce. I love these because they are not only organic, but they're non-GMO, and they don't use a BPA liner for any of their cans. So anytime you buy Simply Truth organic, you can be rest assured that they are going to be BPA-free cans. A cup and a half of my organic whole milk from Harris Teeter. And then I'm going to add in 2 cups of beef broth, and then I'm going to add my noodles. Now you can do elbow noodles if you want to. I actually am doing this Cavatappi, whatever, however you pronounce that. I'm going to be adding those in. They're a little heartier, a little bit more hearty than an elbow noodle. So I'm going to add a little bit more of the beef broth because I want to make sure they get cooked all the way. All right. So I'm just going to let this go on a low simmer, and then I'll add my cheese in, and it's ready to go. Okay, it cooked down very nicely. My pasta's ready. It's still al dente, which is, you know, that's what you want. You don't want it to be mushy. And so the last step is to add our cheese. I'm using a cheddar, and you just pour it in. There's 6-ounce bags, so I've got 2 of them, so 12 ounces of cheese. And then you serve it just like this. It tastes amazing the next day. The kids will love it. It's organic hamburger helper. So enjoy.